I'm one of those guys who doesn't like to throw anything away. I had some 12-foot wide vinyl sheeting from my house, and when I got done using it, I still had the cardboard rolls left. So I need to make a barrier for my dogs, and this is perfect for that. I'm going to show you how to use this to make a barrier. I have two 12-foot rolls, and I need my barrier to be 5 feet wide. So I'm going to cut 3 5-foot sections, and with the leftovers I'm going to have 4 2-foot sections, which is perfect for my project. Okay, I've cut up my 2 rolls of 12-foot length, and now I have 4 2-foot rolls, and I have 3 5-foot rolls. It was very easy to cut up. All I needed was a bow saw, and in fact I had a little bit left. Next, what I'm going to do is just screw them together, which is going to be really easy because it's just cardboard. Okay, I'm starting to put it together. I'm drilling some holes for some screws right here and on the cross beam on the opposite side here. Now, in order to put this together, I have to put the screws on the inside of the tube, as you can see there. Now, in order to get my screwdriver to get the screw in, I'm drilling another larger hole on the outside so I can fit my screwdriver in the hole to screw the screw. Okay, I fit in the 3 horizontal bars, and I put in a second vertical bar on the other side for support, and this dog barrier is done. Now I'm going to go in and see if it works. And it fits. It only took me about 3 hours to make, and all it cost me was a few screws. I think it's a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. If you want to keep up with my home repair videos, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.